What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is an update on plays that are set to double, man. But listen, guys, if I helped you in any way, but I was helping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, another day is in the books and we finished out the day pretty flat, okay? Not too high, not too low, somewhere right around the middle. It finished green, so I do always enjoy seeing green as opposed to when it finished flat, but it's still red. So I take any green day that I can get. Listen, guys, a little bit of guidance on our snap put option play really quickly, okay? Then I gotta jump into a couple stocks that I wanna highlight on today. Listen, major salute to those of you that got in early and saw that initial run up. I know if you did, I know I saw Snap hit 150% gain at least at the minimum. So major salute to those that did that if you were able to get in that early, okay? Because it was a quick 930 to 940 range-ish that it popped, okay? Also, for those of you that rode it up. Some of you called me, sent me the screenshots, and I love each and every one of you guys. This is why we got the best family on YouTube. And you bought it on the low and rode it up and made a killing. Major salute for just practicing and using the tools that we teach every day. I told you, around here we should be making money on the way up with plays as well as on the way down. And for those of you that are still holding, now you know Snapchat's tendency. I want you guys to know, first thing in the morning between 9:30, 9:50-ish, you should look for a downward movement potentially. If all goes well, be ready to take profits. Don't be greedy, and you should be in and out of this play, guys. It should be a win-win-win for everybody across the board, as long as you are maintaining your composure, being strategic, and applying the things that we teach on a daily around here. Let's get ready to eat. We should be 3 for 3 as a whole around here. My weekly option plays was 2 for 2, Roblox as well as Snapchat, a call on each. And then this put option should also prove victorious as well, guys. I'm just excited because I'm gonna just try to go on a long streak of helping you guys win consistently and often in the stock market. Listen, guys, this leads me to my next thing I want to talk to you about. Just an update on some plays that will double, and just look at how they're doing on the men, okay? I'm kicking this one off with IDX, ticker symbol IDEX, currently sitting at $3.08. It is up over 10.5% on the day. Man, I can go on for days about this company, but more importantly, I'm hoping you all that are in this play are enjoying today's gains and the run up that it had and the money you should be making, okay? And listen, for those of you that didn't get out when the trailing stop loss kicked you out and you still holding it, you should be slowly but surely reaching the point that you bought the price at towards your average cost and towards your break even, and then be ready to ride it up higher, okay? All plays, they go down, but you best rest assured that they go back up, okay? So understand it's just the nature of the stock market, and understand with me, it's a marathon, not a sprint. We're not about to get rich quick in any kind of way. So you gotta know and make it through the finish line with these plays that we have, okay? And then the next play I wanted to highlight was Future FinTech, ticker symbol FTFT, sitting at $4.08. It was up almost a little bit over 2% on the day and after hours, so it was just up momentarily before it took a quick recent dip. But listen, same thing, guys. We're already, again, back on the move with this one. This is a play just like BNGO, just like IDX, high risk, high reward. So understand that volatility comes with the territory, but we're staying 10 toes down and riding these to victory, okay? And remember, if you see a buying opportunity and you don't have your position built, that is when you go shopping. For everybody else, you know what to do. You put your feet up and let these things run its course, okay? Listen, guys, man, I'm super excited about the things we have in place in terms of all of our plays in our portfolio, and in terms of how diverse we are and well balanced we are. All we got to do is stay the course, run the plays that's called in the huddle, and endure to the end, okay? And I can guarantee that we'll come out on top. Listen, guys, up next we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is panic sell. Listen, guys, you know about FOMO. That's the fear of missing out. You also know about chasing. That's when you believe a play is gonna go up and never come back down, so you buy high. But the flip side of all of that is panic selling, and I want to make sure for my new and beginning investors, at all costs, you do your best to maintain your composure and avoid panic selling. Okay, it's the quickest way to start your journey off on the wrong foot, and you lock in losses. Remember, in the stock market, you never lose unless you sell. So even if you're down in a play, if you don't sell it, you don't really lose. It's just a loss on paper. And so panic selling could be detrimental and catastrophic if you guys are making hasty decisions. And you should all be able to look and see, although our plays was beat down 30 and 40% due to the correction, now they are starting to make a comeback. So you should now use that to say, you know what, plays go up, they go down, but even when they go down, they come back up to where we had them at and even higher. You should be able to say that for yourself and then make better decisions moving forward, because I told you we got another one potentially in June, another one potentially in September, and another one potentially in November, guys. And so I want us to make sure that we are prepared, not making hasty decisions. And if we are being strategic, whether we're using the trailing stop loss or the limit sell orders, that we're doing it in a manner that makes us put us in position to win. Okay, listen guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from William Jackson. He says, what up Chris, how do you determine your stop loss? If you could add this one to your video, it would be greatly appreciated, King. Blessings to you and your family. William, this is a phenomenal question. He's asking about how to determine your stop loss. For me, guys, first and foremost, I place it on my most volatile plays. You will never hear me talk about a trailing stop loss on things like Apple, Microsoft, AT&T, stuff like that. Those are tried and true and proven companies, okay? You either buy the dip on those or you just ride the wave. But with volatile stocks, plays like easy money plays that has the ability to go down 30, 40, 50% like you have seen in some of our plays, those are the ones you want to do it on. And so on the front end of a volatile play or easy money play, please follow this. You want to place your trailing stop loss on potentially or your limit sell order in case it goes down from there. But then when you hit the home runs in these plays and you kind of unsure if it has more room to go higher, you can place your trailing stop loss on when you're up 100% as well, because it trails it. The word T, the T in trail, it trails it. That's what makes it so unique. It will trail it higher if it continues to go higher, but the minute it goes down, if you set it at 5 to 10%, the minute it goes down from that particular new high point, it will kick you out, lock in your profits. You never have to take a substantial loss, and then you can make an investor decision about where you want to deploy your money next. That's the beauty of it. Listen, man, I hope that quick example was helpful. But listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one.